Okay, I'm gonna show you, this is gonna be a little quick unboxing video. This is what I just ordered for my command center. I'm gonna make some improvements to it this year, this summer. Got some ideas I wanna try out. I'm not sure it's gonna work. Okay, so these are the little markers. They're like highlighter markers, which pop pretty well on the acrylic thing here. These are not crazy cheap. I feel like you could probably find them cheaper somewhere, but I was kind of trading time for money, and I was just, I think these were maybe like $14 for these two. Okay, so these are the acrylic sheets, and I had to get these with the sticky things because my fridge does not have, it's not magnetic, so I had to get these sticky things. So I've got this one, which has weeks, checklist, and a notes section. This is what I really bought it for. The monthly calendar. This is hard to see. Okay, maybe this. I already have one, but I'm gonna update my fridge system so that there's 3, so that I have my entire summer planned out visually on my fridge, and I'm only gonna do it once, and it's gonna be set for the whole summer.